I'm really excited for this one. Today we're going to be talking about Plex, and we're going to be talking about the new feature, the Discover feature that they just recently introduced. So if you don't know, Plex is a media software which I've been using for several years to watch a lot of DVD, Blu-ray content that I have around the house. You used to be able to do podcasts, but you can do music. I mean, it's just huge. And now they're integrating with all of the other streaming services. So it wants to give you an experience where you just go to one place for your media consumption and you get access to everything. Now, I think it's a fundamental pillar in your smart home. I've actually defined 7 pillars, but today we're going to be looking at one of the pillars, which is media. If you do want to get an extended version of how to build a Plex media server from the ground up, you could check the link in the description down below, my own courses platform, and you'll find this course available to pre-order with a 50% discount. I'm actually going to throw a freebie for the first 100 people that actually pre-order the course. You're going to get another course for free, get control of your data. So get in there, jump in there and pre-order your course. Now to the main video. I've updated manually my Synology Qn app with the new version. I've also downloaded a new version of a client. I'm on a Mac here, so I'm going to show you how this works, but any device you actually turn on, your TV, you'll be prompted with a similar screen. So the tagline is search less, watch more. So we have discover more, search everywhere, and expand your watch list. So just tick this box over here, add discovery to my sidebar. The first thing you need to do is tick all of your streaming services that you actually use yourself. So I'm going to be ticking them right now. So I use Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV, Netflix, and you can keep scrolling down. You can actually find out a lot more. All4 is a service in the UK, BBC iPlayer. I actually do have Curiosity Stream also. I'm surprised that's on the list. Google Play Movies, if you have them. The ITV Hub, My5, Now TV, Sky, YouTube Premium, which I am a YouTube Premium member. I'll add that in and let's see what that does. So I'm going to save the changes. Let's see what we get prompted with. So we can find on the left-hand side, the Discover. It's still in beta. So I'm just going to click on it. Now, Discover is going to give us a lot of things that's happening. So we have trending trailers, so we can see the trailer of the new Fantastic Beasts movie, The Secrets of Dumbledore. So what you can do is you can click on it. You can obviously look at the trailer, get information like basically if you had it on Plex. And now you can add it to your watch list. So I'm going to add it to my watch list. Now what it will do is, this will actually, anytime that this movie drop somewhere, so if it gets one day added to any of the streaming services that you are paying for, you will get notified for. So instead of having it watch lists all over the place, you can have one central place. So let's search for something. So let's search for The Big Bang Theory. We've got watch from these locations. So this is the new feature. QNAP 17 is the name of my NAS. So you can see it under TV programs. We can see it's available on the Prime 4 and Netflix. So you can see the sort of examples over here. So if I just pick a random season, now if we look at one of these, you can see actually that season 7, now it's telling me 5 more locations where we can find this from. So we can actually look at the different other options. So Amazon Video, for example. For some reason, Amazon Video and Amazon Prime Video are not the same thing. This is because you can actually buy things outright instead of having the Prime service. So you can see you can buy them outright over here. And these are the subscription versions if you get a bit confused between the two. So if we were to pick one episode over here, you can see that these episodes I do not have personally in my repository. Now if we look at season 12, for example, and if we look at this specific episode, so this specific episode is available on my local, and it's also available in my subscription bar. So let's see how this actually works. If I click on it, my local, I've got access to it, and I can just play it by pressing this bar. I'm not going to do that due to the copyright, you know how that works. So what if I wanted to play it with my subscription service for any reason? So I can go back with this arrow, and I can actually click on the Netflix page, and we can see over here, you can actually go and watch it straight away from the Netflix page. If you go back to Plex, you can actually see it marked mark as played. It is great because you can get a one place where you can search for things, but obviously it's not going to keep track of where you watched it and allow you to rewatch it from here directly. Now let's keep scroll down on this page because I think it's interesting in the discover page. You have trending on your services. So this is looking at all of the services that you are a part of, not just one. We also got top titles on other services. We have coming soon, new trailer, new on your services. So this is also quite interesting to look at. So you can actually see, well, you know, there's a lot of new content with the things that we're subscribed to. So you can just go into one of these. I don't know what this is. And we can see, yeah, okay, we've got it as part of our subscription with Disney. So we can go and access it over there. Now I'm quite curious to see where this actually goes going forward and how well it integrates with the whole Plex experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have, let me know in the comment section down below. Remember to drop this a like and click on this X video over here to get your next Plex update. See you in the next one. Ciao.